Everybody. I tried to get this to work with Screencast-O-Matic, but I was having trouble having that go. So I'm going to do the whole thing again. You can see what we're going for. I'm going to do it with this VM Horizon client here, like this, with QuickTime. So I'm going to try this again. We'll get ourselves to the faculty desktop or your student desktop. This looks like it's still working. Okay, I think I'm still here. And we'll do this again. We're working on the 12-inch AndyMark whole guide. Okay, great. Hopefully this is still working and still capturing info, and we'll give it a go. So first thing I did was I want to open up Google. And get the AndyMark drawing. And then we're going to use Autodesk Inventor. So go to AndyMark. Look for Peanut Robot. Go to Downloads. Open up the whole guide. Okay, this is the one I'm trying to work with. Okay, I'm going to move this up here so I can see it. But what else I need to know is I need the 12. We know this is an inch. This is 5.57 and 4.81. Go to Autodesk. Agree to the policy statement. Hit run if you get a license question. And this looks good. Okay, and like we said, there's a part, there's an assembly, there's a new drawing, and there's presentations. We want the part. And when I get to the main window, here's the ribbon for the 3D part section of this. I'm going to start with a 2D sketch. Following the video that we watched, I'm going to pick this plane, the XY plane. Basically what I need to do is make a very long rectangle. So I'm going to go like this. And I'm actually going to anchor this time. Okay, we haven't done this before, but you can anchor it to the thing. It might be easier to work with. It's 12 inches by 1 inch, like that. Okay, and that's what I got. I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to hit the escape key because it still wants to draw rectangles. You can see this. I'm going to turn that off. I'll move over here, and I got my 12-inch by 1-inch part, which looks good to me. I can move these around how I want, like that. Okay, looks good. Let me see what I'm doing in terms of getting what I need done. 12. Yep. And then I just need 2 holes. So I'm going to go back in here. I need a center line too. That's what we were working on. So I'm going to go here, and you can see that Autodesk is trying to help me get a center line. which is good. So I'm going to keep this going. I'll roll right through there. That looks good. I'm going to hit escape. Okay. I'm going to use the dimension article, and I'm going to hit this line and this line to make sure that that thing is 0.5 inches. It sounds pretty good right there the way they have it. And then what I want to do is I want to make it into a guideline, so I'm going to hit escape to get out of dimension. I'm going to highlight my line, my middle line. Okay, so see how it's like blue, or light blue and active? And then I'm going to go here and hit construction. Okay, well, that's good. So now I got a center line in the middle, and it's great. It's not part of the part. So I'm going to go here. I need roughly two circles. And we decided yesterday that 1/16 was good for the center punch. Okay, so it's a very tiny hole. I'm going to make another one. 1 divided by 16. Boom. Okay, so now I got two ones. I'm going to hit the escape so I can move around and navigate again. And then basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to place these guys along the center line. And that looks good. Make sure they connect. That looks good, right? Okay. I can constrain them. Okay. By doing something like maybe like this. I can do let me see, like maybe let me see, maybe something like this, but they're okay right now, so let's let them be. Let me see if this would work for this. I'm gonna hit this and that. Yeah, okay, so it already says that it's sort of existing. That's the thing, you just want to make sure that it's on the line. Alright, that's okay. Alright, now I need to just get the dimensions that I need to make sure that they're in the right place. Okay. And the thing I need for the 1 is 4.81. So I'm going to go dimension. I'm going to go here. I'm going to pick my center point, if it'll let me. Yeah. And I'm going to say 4.81, like that. Okay. That looks all right. Okay, I just want to make sure it was like the center of it and not something else, because it's pretty small right there. And then the next one I need is, let me zoom in a little bit. It's this. And we can dimension this to 5.57. Okay, so I'm going to pick, still in dimension, I'm going to pick this. And I'm going to pick this. And make that 5.57, like it says. In return. And that's my two holes. Okay? So that looks pretty good. Both look like they're accurately on like where they're supposed to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the sketch. Okay, this takes me back out into three-dimensional space for the part. Okay, and it looks like this. This is fine. What I'd like to do with it is here, we'll put it on the side, I guess. Okay, so we can see it. I'm just going to rotate a little bit. Okay, so there it is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude it. And the thing is, if I extrude it here, it'll extrude and like actually put in the holes, which is good. Like, can you see like the little holes that are there? Like, see them? They're there. They're already put in, so we don't even have to like make them or anything like that. The distance of this doesn't need to be 1 inch. I can make this like 1 divided by 8. It's like an 1/8 inch. And there it is. And essentially what I've done is I made this like little plate. Okay? And it's got these two little holes, and what will happen is we can laser cut these, and this will be very helpful to us. Okay? So I want to save it. And this is my second one because I did one just now. So I'm going to save it. Okay. I'm going to done a good job, so I got everything I needed. I'm going to close this up. And close this up. And basically this is here and ready to go. I have them. These are the part files that I can use for other things. And I'm just going to log off of this. And hopefully this video will come out so you can see it.